You can see right here, this is the end of the wire. Hey guys, Brad here. Today we're going to take a look at Wirefy's 180 piece heat shrink tubing kit. Now this is a really nice kit because it has an adhesive liner on the inside, so when you shrink these tubes down around your wire, it's gonna bond as well. Now they have a 3:1 shrinking ratio on here, as well as their flame retardant, and all the tubes are 3.5 inches in length. So it's a nice little kit. You get all different kinds of sizes. It lists them all here on the front. This gives you a really nice selection of different size tubes for all your different projects. Little guys like this are perfect when you're doing little connections. This is the 1/8 or 3.2 millimeter. This will do a 3:1 shrink ratio. So it's going to get real nice and tight. I'll do a little example for you. I'll put it right over this wire and we'll bond it on here. After I'm done attaching it to this wire, I'll pull on it and you'll see that it won't even come off. It's just going to break. So it's a really nice connection. So I'm only going to go 1.5 inches onto the wire, and then I'm going to heat shrink it, and you'll see how strong this bond actually is. You can see right here, this is the end of the wire. Then I started shrinking just a little bit past. Now it's going to be a bit hot to the touch. Oh, it's actually kind of cool right here. So if I pull on it, it's not going to come off, but it will probably stretch and then break. So you can see it's stretching. Keep in mind this is still really warm. So don't pull on the heat shrink when it's warm because it might move around a little bit. So you just want to wait until it's cooled off and then you're good to go. It's a really nice bond. It's not going to go anywhere once it's all dried up and cooled down. It's still very hot. I can feel the heat all the way back here in the wire. So it's a great product. There's so many different little connectors. You got the larger tubes. You've got some real big ones here, which almost flat, but they can round out a little bit. So this one is your 1/2 inch. And then you've got all your little guys. 3 little ones. Boom, boom, boom. So lots to choose from. Perfect for doing all kinds of connections, making sure that water's not going to get on them, and just also protecting them from possibly shorting out on something that you don't want touching your connection. All right, guys, I think this kit is great to have if you're a mechanic or someone doing some 12-volt wiring or so many other things. Hope the video was helpful. Till next time, keep on crushing it, and we'll catch you later.